Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 1. My name is Nurmala Saritonga and my friend.
Hello, my name is Arianti Anna Putri.
Hello, my name is Azni Aina Ulmardia.
Hello, my name is Nikana Simarmata.
Hello, my name is Sofia Sylvia Husni.
Hello guys, my name is Harta Christian Barimbe.
In this video, we want to tell you about using PBL method in Department of Office Administration at a vocational high school. And happy watching, guys! In this section, I will tell you about what is office administration. Office administration is a combination of corporate management, which means the office as a unit consisting of buildings, land, personnel, and equipment, with operation management, which means office work. This department is in vocational high school. So, you must know that in the office administration department, students will be guided to recapitulate data, manage documents, and store documents in a structured manner. Not only that, students in office administration department at vocational high schools also learn about attitudes, how to dress, communication skills by telephone, and others. Many graduates of vocational high school in office administration department then work or continue their studies at the Department of Office Administration. Graduated from the Department of Office Administration have the opportunity to achieve with their job prospects, such as being a secretary, administrative staff, personal assistant, public relations, teacher in vocational high school, and etc.
Problem-based learning or PBL is a student-centered pedagogy in which students learn about a subject through the experience of solving an open-ended problem found in trigger material. The PBL process does not focus on problem solving with a defined solution, but it allows for the development of other desirable skills and attributes.
The development of PBL in the learning process. This PBL model was developed in the learning process of SMK students, aiming to improve the ability of students to think critically and actively in solving problems so that it has an impact on improving learning outcomes. This problem-based learning model has the following problem-based learning principles, such as the first is student-centered learning, the second is learning occurs in small groups of students, the third is the teacher acts as a facilitator, the fourth is the problem is the focus and stimulus in learning, the fifth is problems are avenues for developing clinical problem-solving skills, and the last is new information is obtained through learning. From the 6 principles above, it can be concluded that the problem-based learning model includes patterns of looking for specific problems, discussing in groups, identifying, developing, analyzing, and evaluating. From these principles, students are expected to be able to formulate and describe a problem specifically.
Talking about problem, in the world of education, there is a problem-based learning or PBL method. Generally, this method will introduce students to a case or problem that is related to the material that being discussed. Then student will be asked to find a solution to solve the problem or the case. In addition, this method will increase the ability to participate student in the team. This method is also a learning approach that seeks to apply problems that occur in the real world. With the students will be trained to think critically and find solutions. There are 6 characteristics, including: first, learning activities begin with giving a problem. Second, the problems presented are still related to the real life of the student. Third, organized discussion around problem, not discipline. And the fourth, students are given maximum responsibility in carrying out the learning process directly. 5. Students are divided into several small groups, collaboration occurs. And for the last, student must demonstrate the performance that has been learned before. And then, in most versions of PBL, students would work together in groups with the help of facilitator, using problems or scenarios as a basis for study. And then they share their existing knowledge and understanding relevant to the scenario, agree what they need to learn and how they will do this, for the example, drawing on a range or resource, and reconvene to discuss progress, evaluate their work, and decide the next step of the learning.
Advantages of the problem-based learning model. And the first, problem solving is very effectively used to understand the content of the lesson. Second, problem solving will break and challenge students' abilities and provide satisfaction to discover new knowledge for students. Third, problem solving makes students' learning activities more improved. And fourth, problem solving can help students know how to transfer their knowledge to understand real life problems. And five, problem solving can help students to develop new knowledge and take responsibility for the learning they do. And last, students become more sensitive to the problems that occur in the surrounding environment. In addition to having advantages, the problem-based learning model also has several disadvantages. Here are the first, difficulty solving problems when students don't have interest or don't have confidence that the problem can be solved. And second, the time needed to prepare for this learning model is quite long. And last, if they are not given proper in understanding and reasons why they should try to solve the problem being studied, then they will not learn what they want to learn. Okay.
After we heard the previous explanation, it can be concluded that problem-based learning, or PBL, is a learning method that encourages students to know how to learn and work in groups, to find the solution to real problems or to real world problems. Problem simulation is used to be active students. Curiosity before starting to study a subject. PBL prepares students to think critically and analytically, as well as to be able to obtain and use appropriate learning research. In this project, we use Office administration measure to our research. Office administration measures study administrative matters such as correspondence, filling to procedure and work ethics in the office. Graduate from the Department of Office Administrations can work in various companies and as administrative or secretarial staff, both in the government or and private sectors. That is enough for the explanation of conclusion, and thank you.